sa lahat. So, for today's tutorial, tayo ay magtuturo kung paano mag-enable ng flash sa ating computer. So, I have here an application. So, open natin. Meron akong application dito, the Cisco IT Essential Virtual Desktop. And ito ay gumagana sa pamamagitan ng flash player sa isang browser. So, pag i-open natin siya sa Internet Explorer, okay, so kung hindi naka-install yung flash mo or hindi naka-allow, you will encounter some error. So, yan. You can see, Internet Explorer restricted these web pages from running script or ActiveX control. You need to allow that. Allow black content. Okay, once it's allowed, lalabas na yung iyong virtual desktop. Skip natin. So, as you can see, okay. As you can see, yung kanyang mga components ay hindi mo makita. Dito sa part ng learn, blanco siya. So, dahil yan sa hindi naka-allow yung flash player mo or yung kanyang ActiveX ay hindi naka-allow fully. Hindi siya full control or fully allowed. So, para gumana yan, gagawin natin ay close muna natin to, and then punta tayo sa ating control panel ng computer natin. You can search control panel, and then look for this icon, flash player 32-bit. Okay, and then click mo yan. Once na naklik mo na yan, go to playback. So, ito yung kanyang mga tab. We have storage, camera and mic, playback, updates, advanced. All you have to do is to go to advanced tab and then click the developer tools portion. Specify trusted locations for developer testing. So, open mo lang ito, trusted location settings, and I assume na you already download the application in your computer. Ako, nilagay ko siya sa desktop. So, I'm just going to locate the website domain from desktop and then select the Cisco Essentials Virtual Desktop and then click OK. And then, confirm mo lang yan. Then, pag nandito na siya sa trusted file or folder location, okay na yan. Then, close mo lang siya. Then, close mo lang ulit. Close. Let's open again yung ating desktop. And then, punta tayo dun sa ating folder ng Cisco IT Essential Virtual Desktop. Select mo yung .html, index.html, and then right-click, open with Internet Explorer. Okay? Para gumana siya ng maayos. Then also, i-allowed mo lang ulit yung black content niya. Ayan. So, once allowed na, so you can read everything inside this or just skip if you already. Ayan. As you can see, yung sa learn yan tab, okay, meron na tayo nung iba't ibang So, we have power supply, another tab, motherboard, adapter cards, internal drives, drives in external ways, internal cable, and external cables. So, yan. So, once na gumana na yan, you can select So, yung pinapakita dito na pag-assemble ng computer ng isang desktop is the proper way ng pag-assemble. Ano yung unahin mo? Okay, yung pagkasunod-sunod niya. So, once na okay na yan, nakita mo na yung mga items dito, yan, it means that working na yan. So, to test na nagwo-work yung ating flash, okay, so, as you can see, the instruction is to drag the power supply from the mat and put it into position. Okay, so kung saan nag-highlight, doon mo siya ilalagay. Okay, and then rotate mo siya kung ano ang tamang itsura ng ating power supply. Okay, so dapat nakaganyan siya. And then click mo lang yung arrow down para pumasok siya doon. Alright. Then, the next niyan is yung kanyang screws. So, syempre, iladrag mo lang ulit siya doon and then yan, automatic siya na yung magano. And then you have completed installing the items on this layer. You may now return to the course lesson or continue exploring your virtual computer. So, just click OK and automatic pupunta ka na dito sa next tab which is the motherboard. So, you need to complete these tabs. So, you need to record this just like what I'm doing and then export it as MP4 and then you need to submit this in our TO LMS. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. This is Sir Yuls. Thank you.